Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what is widely regarded as the best Nike Vapor Edge Elite 360 Flyknit men's football cleat, model AO8276100, size 8. This cleat stands out in the world of football footwear for its cutting-edge design and performance features that cater to athletes looking for speed, agility, and comfort on the field. The Nike Vapor Edge Elite 360 Flyknit cleat boasts a sleek, modern silhouette built with a lightweight mesh outer material. This mesh provides excellent breathability, ensuring your feet stay cool and dry during intense gameplay. The Flyknit technology wraps your foot snugly, delivering a sock-like fit that enhances support without sacrificing flexibility. This means you get the perfect blend of lockdown and freedom of movement, essential for quick cuts and explosive acceleration. One of the most impressive aspects of this cleat is its rubber sole, which is engineered for durability and superior traction. The sole's design gives you the grip needed to perform at your best on various field surfaces, reducing slippage and increasing confidence with every step. The pull-on closure type simplifies getting the cleats on and off while maintaining a secure fit once you're laced in. Weighing in at just 1.74 pounds, these cleats are remarkably light, allowing players to move faster and reduce fatigue during long games. The combination of lightweight materials and innovative construction makes the Nike Vapor Edge Elite 360 Flyknit not only a high-performance shoe but also a comfortable one for extended wear. Designed specifically for men's football, these cleats hit the mark when it comes to combining technology with style. The Flyknit upper is engineered to contour to your foot's natural shape, which minimizes distractions caused by loose or uncomfortable footwear. Nike's attention to detail ensures that this cleat supports every move you make on the field, whether it's sprinting down the sidelines or making those game-changing cuts. Released in early 2020, the cleat remains a relevant choice for athletes who want proven performance without compromise. The sizing, particularly in size 8, caters to a wide range of players, offering that ideal fit for those who want to stay sharp and fast in their game. In summary, the Nike Vapor Edge Elite 360 Flyknit cleat offers a winning combination of innovative Flyknit material, a reliable rubber sole for traction, and a design focused on both comfort and performance. Whether you are a seasoned pro or an aspiring athlete, this cleat is engineered to give you the edge on the field, making it a top contender in Nike's lineup of football shoes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to elevate your football game with the best cleats Nike has to offer, the Vapor Edge Elite 360 Flyknit should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.